Oke guys, perjalanan menuju Selomangleng. Bismillahi majreha wa mursaha. Asik. Amin amin.
From group 2.
Okay, we will here explain some of the places that exist in Selomangleng tourist. Here there are so many places that you must visit.
You are some place in Big Queen, Airlangga Museum, Selomangleng Cliff, dan Swimming Rose.
Okay, stay tuned.
Isn't the best place to find a lover, so the bar is where I go. Me and my friends at the table doing shots, tripping fast, and then we talk slow. And you come over and start up a conversation with just me, and trust me, I'll give it a chance. Now take my hand, stop it, and the man on the jukebox, and then we start to dance.
Kami dari
And I'm singing like, girl, you know I want your love. Your love was handmade for somebody like me. Come on now, follow my lead. I may be crazy, don't mind me, say boy, let's not talk too much. Grab on my waist and put that body on me. Come on now, follow my lead. Come on now, follow my lead. I'm in love with the shape of you. We push and pull like a magnet do. Although my heart is falling too. I'm in love with your body. And last night you were in my room, and now my bedsheets smell like you. Every day discovering something brand new. I'm in love with your body. 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 Every day discovering something brand new. I'm in love with the shape of you. When we came, we let the story begin. We're going out on our first date. You and me are thrifty, so go all you can eat. Fill up your bag and I fill up the plate. We talk for hours and hours about the sweet and the sour, and how your family's doing okay. And leaving, getting a taxi, kissing the backseat, tell the driver make the radio play. And I'm singing like, girl, you know I want your love. Your love was handmade for somebody like me. Come on now, follow my lead. I may be crazy, don't mind me, say boy, let's not talk too much. Grab on my waist and put that body on me. Come on now, follow my lead. Come on now, follow my lead. I'm in love with the shape of you. We push and pull like a magnet do. Although my heart is falling too. I'm in love with your body. Last night you were in my room, and now my bedsheets smell like you. Every day discovering something brand new. I'm in love with your body. 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 Every day discovering something brand new. I'm in love with the shape of you. Come on, be my baby, come on. 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 I'm in love with the shape of you. We push and pull like a magnet do. Although my heart is falling too. I'm in love with your body. Last night you were in my room. Now my bed
Okay guys, the last place in swimming pool Selomangleng. Come on! Woo.
I'm in love with your body. Come on, be my baby. Come on, come on, be. I'm in love with your body. Come on, be my baby. Come on, be. I'm in love with your body. Every day discovering something brand new. I'm in love with the shape of you.
Today I don't feel like doing anything. I just wanna lay in my bed. Don't feel like picking up my
Satu guys,
so leave
kita lagi berada di kolam renang. Satu, dua, tiga.
I'm not doing anything.
Okay guys, this is name is place. This place is swimming pool. Swimming pool. In the Selomangleng. There and then this swimming pool.
Oh yes, I said it. I said it. I said it 'cause I can. Today I don't feel like doing anything. I just wanna lay in my
Thanks for watching and see you.
feel like picking up my
I won't let
Hello guys, we are from
Group
group
2.
2. Okay, we will here explain some of the place that exist in Somaliland. Satu, dua, tiga. Iya, video dong ini.
お前はもう死んでいる。何？
Swimming pool.
Bertombok kita.
Terima kasih sudah klik video ini. Tapi jangan lupa guys, klik tombol subscribe karena subscribe itu gratis.